Mina, how do we calculate tacos? Everybody loves that term. So can you please explain what that is first?
I personally love tacos. So tacos is your total ACOS, which stands for your total advertising cost of sales. The ACOS, or the advertising cost of sales, is basically how much money we spend on PPC and how much divided by how much sales that spend got us. So if a keyword has a 50% ACOS, it basically means that it's, and your product sale price is $20, it basically means that it spent $10 to get you that $20 sale. So it's basically the spend divided by the sale. Your total ACOS is your PPC spend divided by your entire revenue, both PPC and organic. It's very important to look at that because you might think that your campaign manager ACOS is important and that's like the true indicator of how profitable your campaigns are, but that's not true. Because what I've seen is sometimes I will, significantly lower my bids and then my organic sales will tank. And so, why would that happen if the PPC and the organic was not connected? Unfortunately, I don't know what it is. It might be that people are seeing the sponsored and then seeing the organic and then clicking on the organic. And personally, that's what I used to do. I never liked to click on the sponsored because I always felt that there was something scammy about it. So even on Amazon. And it could be that. It could be a million different things. But all we can do is we can say, okay, run your PPC, stop your PPC, and notice what happens to your overall sales. And if you only lose your PPC sales, well, amazing, but I don't think that's going to happen. But if you notice that all of your sales tank, then you know that PPC has an effect on organic. So you should never evaluate your PPC results based on just the ACOS. It should be the total ACOS. As you track your campaigns every single day or every single week, take your PPC spend and divide it by your overall sales, your entire revenue. And that number, if it's getting lower, that means it's good, you're profitable. If it's getting higher, it means, hey, you're spending more and more on PPC and not getting more and more sales. So make sure that that's the true number that you should always track because that is the true indicator of how well you're doing with your PPC.
This is really great, Mina. Thank you.
Awesome.